Is this recipe that simple? Okay, one's rolling away. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Tammy and this is the Tamlyn long reset method. Today I am making 2 bags of the Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix. It smells so good in this kitchen. I have got 2 bags of the Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix, and what I like about this one is over here it says no artificial colors or flavors. The other thing is it says just add water, and they're not joking. For this bag all you need is 2 tablespoons of water. So let's get baking. I have the oven preheating at about 190 degrees Celsius. And here I have my tablespoon measurements. Four tablespoons. Now it says that I need to stir with a large spoon until I have a stiff dough, and if a stiff dough does not form, then I need to add in another 5 milliliters of water. There's a warning to not heat the batter. This is really dry. I think a slight dough is forming. It smells really good. I've never used so little liquid in a recipe before. This appears to be a stiff dough. That is definitely a stiff dough. I am going to quarter this dough and then quarter those pieces of dough to make 16 equal cookies. Baking paper. Is it possible that this is so easy to make? I have prepared everything in less than 5 minutes. Here they are. Into the oven. Timer, 12 minutes. I'm going to put it on for another 2 minutes because it's not quite ready. I'll show you. Almost, but not quite. They are ready! These have been cooling for maybe 2 minutes and now they can go onto the cooling rack. These cookies were beyond easy to make. It took me less than 5 minutes to mix up the dough and get them rolled and put into the oven. And I baked them for 14 minutes. Taste test time, and there is little that I love more than a freshly baked good that's still crispy on the outside. Yum. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like or comment, or even better, subscribe. And until next time, I hope that you have a lovely day. Bye for now.